Hello everyone, welcome to bimmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see a tool which is very helpful. And if you are using with the Revit project, there are many project files that we will be using it. One of them is that Revit link files, AutoCAD link files, and many other files that we will be associating with the same project file. So in that case, when you are sending the same file to the other vendors, you may have to pick one by one because those files will be in a different folders and you may have to spend more times on it. So there is an option in AutoCAD. If you are familiar with AutoCAD, there is an option for transmitting the files. Same way, there are many add-ins available for Revit also, and this option by default it's available with the Revit package, which is in the add-in tab, and you'll be able to see the transmit models. You can click this button once you close to all the files, and you will be able to click this button. And I'm using this particular file, sample file, which is from a location, and you can paste the location or browse the model that you wanted to take it up, and select the location that you wanted to save. And I'm saving that in the desktop, and I will be including the transmittal error if anything comes, and output folder and each source file will be located. So these options, and below that, what are the files that you wanted to link? These are the linked files which is externally from external to the internal. So you can see the files option. I wonder that if the shared parameter file we got it, it will be much more easy. So there is an option. If there is a tick button, it will be very much helpful, but it is not there. But instead of that, there is an option for add file option, where you can pick any file that you wanted to include apart from the linking file which is directly comes in. Apart from that, you can add, for example, shared parameter text file. You can add it to share with the vendors or anyone who wanted to. And I'm using the Revit 2026. If you are using any other previous versions file in this tool, it will automatically upgrade or not to upgrade. So this is the options that we have, so you can see that whether you wanted to do it or not. So once these options are selected, this is pretty much self-explanatory. So you can select the transmit model. This process will take place. All the files will be copied from the root folders to the folder that we are specifying. There is an error which indicates that very simple, that in the same folder there are other files which is linked files are available, which is creating errors, which are those files details are not copied, which is not needed necessarily. The same folder these files are there, but which we don't want to copy, and this were excluded with the keynote, as it is not required, it is not linked with this. But for other files, for the HVAC file, main file, I selected it. Other files are linking files which are copied, and I can directly select this folder, and using the transfer, Dropbox, or any transmittal method that you are using, or Autodesk Docs, if you are using, you can transmit it all the files together. So with if you have a linked AutoCAD files, those also will be under this same folder. You will be able to get it, transmit them at the same time. So this is a very useful tool. Do let me know if you are using this in your project, or if you are using any other transmittal tool like DI Roots or Xrev, or any other tools that you are using, because these tools we have used it previously. But currently the scenarios are changing, and we use Collaborate Pro for transmitting the project files. But still, some people are not using the Collaborate or BIM 360. So this is the method that people needs to use. That's it for this tutorial, and I hope this tutorial helped you. And do subscribe BIM Modeler. We are making series of tutorials about Revit and BIM tools, and share it with your learning friends so that they also learn it, a daily one video, which helps us also in the other way. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.